14 iPhone features that are a must for every iPhone user, and I am sure you are going to end up using every single feature. So if I'd be you, I would stick to the end of this video. So let's dive in, shall we? When you are scrolling through something and you want to scroll back, all you have to do is tap on the time or anywhere here and you will be instantly back. For sending a text to someone without saving their number on WhatsApp, search for you and type in the number here and send it to yourself. Tap on the number and select chat, and it's that easy. If you select a bunch of photos and create an album, then tap on that album and select play memory video. You can easily create a professional looking slideshow for those photos. And you can play around with the options as per your choice as well. If you are doing some work or research on Safari and you have multiple tabs open that you want to be as it is to use it for reference later, then simply tap on tabs and on this option here and select new tab group with your tabs. Put in a name and save it. Now when you need those tabs, all you have to do is go to this tab section again and swipe to your saved tabbed groups. It is as simple as that. You know that you can grab an object from a photo, right? But did you also know that you can select that object and save it as a sticker from here and even add effects to that sticker once it is added? When you take a screenshot, you do not have to tap on it and then share it from here. Instead, simply long press on that same screenshot and send it directly from here. When you are typing a website and if you just hold on this dot here, it will give you the endings to choose from and complete the website. In any app, if you see a scroll bar on the right hand side, you can hold on to that and easily scroll your way through really fast. If you want to save a web page or share it to someone, you can send a link or take a screenshot. But you can also share it as a PDF by sharing and changing this option right here to PDF. Even if your phone is on silent and you still need someone's contact to ring, maybe it's your wife, maybe it's your boss, then search for that contact, tap on edit, then select the ringtone and enable emergency bypass here. Your iPhone will now ring for that number even if it is on silent. While typing, if you tap with one finger, you can select a word, and when you type with two fingers, you can select a complete sentence. Adding a symbol or a punctuation mark is not as simple as Android on iPhones. But if you tap on this, hold it and then drag your finger towards what you need and then lift your finger, you will be back to your primary keyboard. Now before you set any photo as a wallpaper and it ends up looking weird, go to edit and select crop. Tap on this button here and you will find an option for wallpaper. You can now adjust the photo according to your preference and set it as your wallpaper. It will become very easy to search an image rather than endless scrolling if you tap on this information button and add a caption regarding your photo. Trust me, do this and you'll thank me later, because when you need a specific photo, just search for it and you'll have it instantly. These are more iPhone videos that you will find interesting. Check them out, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.